Hello everybody, welcome back to my cooking channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make something very simple. I'm going to show you how to make sugar cubes. Now, sugar cubes are actually perfect for your coffee or tea, but they're quite expensive and very hard to find. So, you can just buy sugar and make homemade sugar cube, and it's incredibly cheap to make at home. So, let's get started. Okay, so get a small bowl, or you can use a water rod, just depends on how you make it. I'm not gonna make a whole lot, so I'm just gonna use 1 cup of sugar. Let's just draw a hole with your finger. And then then use 3 teaspoons of water. Pour that into the middle. Then get a fork and mix it up. I get a baking tray, like this one was used for meatballs, but if you want to do a bigger baking tray, just double it with 2 cups of sugar and 6 teaspoons of water. I guess this and put it all in there. Then I'll get your fork and try to spread out so it's nice and even. And then we're gonna flatten it down. So you can do the best you can with a fork. And then just get some spatula and just pack it down so it's nice and even. And then get a knife and just carefully cut them into squares. You see, just like that. Now I had to do it a couple times because I want it to be like a perfect square. So I actually cut them, flattened out, cut them again until it's nice and perfect. Now preheat your oven to about 250 degrees Fahrenheit and put them in there for about 1 hour. Alright, that's done. I just leave this here to cool down before you take it out here. Then we'll carefully break them into like little sugar cubes. There you have homemade sugar cubes. Perfect. Well, I hope you guys enjoy my simple recipe for homemade sugar cube. As you can see. Oh man, this is perfect. I know it's not exactly like my cube shape, but it doesn't really matter. As long as stay together just like sugar cubes. So yeah, I mean it's very simple and incredibly cheap to make at home. So thank you guys so much for watching the recipe. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll see you next Wednesday for a new recipe. Peace out.